Hi everyone, my name is Nan. I'm from SuperBee. Today I'll show you how to make the beeswax wrap from the owl wax drops. So owl wax drop has 100 grams of owl wax mixture, and you can make 8 to 12 wax wraps or 1 square meter of the wax wrap. And now I'll show you how to make the beeswax wrap from owl wax drop step by step. So first, you place the baking paper on the towel. Place the fabric on top of the baking paper, and you can sprinkle wax all over the fabric. After that, you place another baking paper on top and start to iron from the middle. Wait a little until the wax melts and start to spread them around the fabric. You can open to check that the beeswax absorbs all over fabric. You can see some spot that doesn't cover with the beeswax, so you can refill more of the wax. Cover with baking paper once again and start iron in the place where we just placed the beeswax. When you see that the beeswax all over, you can open the baking paper and then slowly peel the wax off the baking paper and hold both sides for 20 seconds, and you'll get your own beeswax wrap. So it's easy, right, to make your own beeswax wrap from our wax drops? You can purchase our product at superbee.me. See you later!